Hi.
You have it on? Yo.
Hi.
Bite me. So the score is 99-0 in favor of the red team. And apparently, yep.
Hi.
I'm gonna say this right now. What are you doing?
She's taking a video of something.
You're gonna be like, was she high when she was
She ate a burger and had something.
She didn't buy anything? Why
No,
didn't you?
that's why I'm hungry right now. I didn't know because I ate a sandwich.
She didn't want anything.
Cha.
Doesn't mean you're not supposed to. You have to have something on backup. You think I would have bought
Honey Monday.
That's
Is
40.
that your drug money? Or is that your money from the streets?
Money from the streets.
That you found? Never happens to me. When I'm in morning like this, when I go to school,
There's some
I
mornings.
come out.
Hey, there's been mornings that I have like a complete day because I'm like this. I'm like,
Yeah, I'm always like that. In the afternoon, I'm awake.
hey, there's nothing wrong with that, right? It's just like as soon as you see her, it's like this. I'm like this. Wakes up.
Okay, Chris, what do you have to say?
What?
What do you have to
I
say?
swear to God, don't even post. How much does that hurt me?
No, I'm barely recording.
Okay.
Restart it because there's something I.